Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then click on this plus icon over here, and finally you can set up an hour. When you done, choose days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones and click on alarm name. Label your alarm however you want to, and when you're done, click done on your keyboard over here. Then you can scroll down a bit and tap on the switches next to all of those features to turn them off or on. After that, click on alarm sound, choose ringtone over here and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also click on ringtone, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner and pick music from your device by clicking on the song that you want to set up and tapping done at the top right corner. If you want to change volume of your alarm, all you need to do is swipe left or right in the slider over here. Go back and choose vibration. Over here you can pick one of these vibration patterns by clicking on the one that you want to set up as well. Then go back and choose snooze. Now select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back and click on save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by clicking on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm, hold it, tap on delete over here, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!